Stick around to see how we were inspired to make these delicious frozen style popcorn balls, and they were so quick and easy and extremely fun. You won't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, it is Cheryl, the activity author, here to bring you another fun activity you can do with the kids. Now, this all started with a rainy day. So what you do on rainy days, you watch movies. So we decided to watch Frozen. My daughter put on her beautiful Frozen dress because you know she always loves to be Anna. Or Elsa, sorry, and her sister likes to be Anna. And we popped some popcorn, getting everything ready. And then I accidentally popped too much popcorn. So I'm like, what are we going to do with the rest of this popcorn? I got it. We're going to make some dessert, some frozen treats. How about some frozen popcorn balls? And that's what we did. So everything you're going to need for this recipe is in the description box below, but I'm going to show you how to do it. It is so quick and easy. Now go ahead and start with some parchment paper. You're going to put that on a baking sheet. Put that aside, and then you're gonna have your popcorn ready. If you don't, you can pop some in the air popcorn popper. You can put some on the stove top, but you can even put some in the microwave. Go ahead and get you a microwavable bag, put it in there. Doesn't matter how you get the popcorn pop, just pop the popcorn. And now here you're seeing me separate the popcorn and the kernels, because it's always some uncooked kernels and you don't want nobody choking on your popcorn balls. So you want to make sure you take them and separate them out. And the strategy I use is put it on a baking sheet so that way I can see everything. And then I'm putting them back in the bowl because when I coat it, I want it to be in a bowl. So now you want to melt down a half a stick of butter, get it completely melted, and then you're going to add your marshmallows. So I put about 2 cups of marshmallows because I didn't want to make a big batch at all. And I believe my batch yield about 9 medium-sized popcorn balls. Keep in mind, I'm not a chef now, okay? So now you want to stir your marshmallows for about 2 minutes or so until it completely melts down into a syrupy mixture. And you want to also make sure you are heating it under medium heat. Don't put the heat too high or it's going to be very hard. It's going to burn the marshmallows. So this is the type of texture you want. And once you get this texture, you want to go ahead and take your heat, turn it down to low, and just kind of let it stay warm until you're ready to coat your popcorn. Go ahead and also add some vanilla. I'm using vanilla extract, and then I'm going to also add some food coloring as well, some blue food coloring. I ultimately ended up using about 4 to 5 drops of blue food coloring, but I would say gradually get there. So start with 2 like I did, then add 2 more until you get the desired color you want. Now that that's done, you're going to get your parchment paper, your popcorn, your powdered sugar, your decorations that you're going to decorate your popcorn balls with, because you got to have those handy. I actually had this kit the Christmas that just passed, and the decorations are still nice because I never opened them. So I'm going to use those as the decorations. So now that my mixture just came hot off the stove, I'm going to stir it around a little bit and just kind of mix it in with my spatula. And I'm going to get everything coated nice and blue. And then I'm going to put it on my parchment paper, which is also on a cookie sheet. And I'm going to mold it into little balls as well. So I'm still mixing that mixture and making sure it gets evenly distributed. And then I'm going to take it and make it some popcorn balls. And you want to do this while it's warm, because if you don't, it's going to cool off and it will not be sticky anymore and you will not be able to decorate it. So I tried to quickly do as many as I can. And I'm not gonna lie, by the time I got to the decoration part, it was kind of lukewarm. So they did stick most of it, but some of the decorations, like the heavier snowflakes, they did not. So I added some icing that I had just from decorating cookies. And I added those to the popcorn balls to make them stick the decorations. So you can do that. That's another option. The popcorn balls will be sweeter, just saying. but you can use, you know, any type of icing you have around to help decorate your pom-pom balls if you run into this problem. Especially when you're, you know, decorating with younger kids, anything can happen. So it's just a nice little option, you know. So after we finished decorating, I found this unopened wedding gift that I received, and I said, this is perfect for today. So we decided to put this tier, I don't know what you call it, a server platter thing. We put it together, we put the popcorn balls on there together, and we decorated it some more, and then we're all done. This is where the powdered sugar comes in. So you're going to go ahead and dust a little on your popcorn balls, and then dust them on the sides of on the glass of the, you know, on the plate, so it can look like some snow. And just have fun, be creative. I'm also going to put some more of these sprinkles all over everything and just make it all cute and magical, whimsical, frozen land. And there we are. Everything turned out so beautiful, and you guys are gonna love it. It actually tastes pretty good too. See, Elsa gives it 2 thumbs up. Oh, and speaking of thumbs up, make sure you guys like this video. Don't forget to like the video. I brought y'all a nice little rainy day activity. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the creative army. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know every time I post. And check out all of my many awesome activities. Right, Elsa? All right. So she's about to do the taste test. Ooh, it's about to be so good. Crunch, crunch. Yes, y'all. Try this today. I know y'all got the ingredients anyway in your cabinet, so try it. So good, even Anna came out to the party, right, Anna? All right. Well, guys, thanks so much for watching this video and staying to the end. I will see you on my next video, because guess what? You're going to go ahead and click one of these videos right here on your screen. Go ahead. I'll wait. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.